In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Fortnite display name on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open up any browser and search for Fortnite. Then you have to go on this website. Now wait for this website to load, and after the website is loaded, here on the top right side you will see this profile icon. So click on it, and if you have not signed in, sign in. And then after you have signed in, click on account, and here on account settings you will see your display name or username, and you will see this pencil edit button here. Click on it. Now here it says if you change your Epic Games display name, you can change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. So you should remember that you cannot change it again for 2 weeks. So this is your current display name, and enter here your new display name, and make sure to never use information that identifies you, such as your real name, address, social media handle, or phone number. A display name must be at least 3 characters long. And after you enter here your display name, check this box and click on confirm, and your display name will be changed. So this is how you can change your display name on Fortnite on your PS5. Thanks for watching.